What's up guys? This is Baby Brielle and I am 2 months. I am going 3 months old. My name is Brielle Penelope L. Rojo. As you see guys, I'm very beautiful. Buyag. I'm very cute. Buyag. I am so good. Buyag. Look at me guys. Very beautiful. Buyag. Look at me. So today I'm going to take a little bit of higda-higda because I am tired of maoy. I have my milk but I am full, so I will take my milk later. See you guys later.